simple as this. This is how we do this. Let's check if also the channels are big. Okay. Yeah, also the channels are big. They are big like this here, as you can see. This is what normally happens. But simple as this. If you have any problem of fixing this problem, just leave a message on the comment section there. I will come and I will assist you into fixing it. But it's simple as this. I think all the channels are opening. Yeah, they are all working, the channels. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and also invite others to come and watch. My name is Mzeda Rotondwa. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. God bless you.